This is the garage, two-car garage, pretty big. It walks into the kitchen. It's the kitchen table. It got a black stove, black refrigerator. Then you walk into the little dining area. It's the dining area into the kitchen. And I'm standing in the living room area. This is the living room area. So standing back from the kitchen. Hardwood floors. Got a coat closet here, or storage. Down here, on the left side, on the right side, another storage. A coat closet. Walking in the hallway. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like from the front. When you walk upstairs, got the laundry room here. Clear washer dryer hookup. Nice size laundry room. Pretty big. Okay, got a bathroom up here. Regular size bathroom. Okay. Tub shower. Got a decent sized room. Nice sized room. It's one of the guest room. Let me check out the closet here. Okay, small closet, but decent sized room. It leads straight into the bathroom on this side. Connected. And you got another very nice, decent sized room here too. And small closet. Two. Looking like a linen closet in the hallway. Then the bathroom. Okay, another bedroom. There must be the master bedroom. Master bedroom and closet here. You have one closet here. Here's the master bedroom. And the master bathroom. Jacuzzi style tub. And a big closet in the back too. Put it right on here. Okay.